Okay, mathematicians, are you ready for today's math? So you're like, oh my gosh, Miss Owens, look at that mess that you have on your counter. Well, what I did was I poured out some Lucky Charms. And so what we're going to do is we're going to sort the marshmallows, and then I'm going to ask you to make a graph. So let's go ahead and start sorting. There are some blue moons. Let me see if I can do this. I think I see one hiding right. Oh, there's one. But, nope, that's a rainbow. You tricked me. And here are some pot of golds. Blue moons. We have some pot of golds. We have rainbows. There's a lot of rainbows. Let's see. Did you know that there were unicorns in Lucky Charms? That's a new one to me. I didn't know that. And here's some shooting stars and some balloons and some purple horseshoes. Horseshoes are lucky. So let me just keep sorting. If you see some, you can, oh, look at the heart. Look at that. Balloon. I need somebody to hold this camera for me so I can search. Star. Star. So you could do this at your house. If you have pretty pebbles, you could sort by colors, or Fruit Loops, you could make a graph by sorting by colors if you don't have Lucky Charms. But we're going to make a graph with Miss Owens' Lucky Charms today. Oh, there's another unicorn. I wonder if unicorns wear horseshoes. I don't know. Would they be unicorn shoes then? I guess they would be. Some more hearts. Blue moon. Blue moon. Blue moon. Two more unicorns. Help me, friends. What do you see? Oh, there's a horseshoe. Horseshoe. So always we sort our data, right? Today the marshmallows are going to be our data. I want to see how many were in that one little pile of Lucky Charms. I'm not going to use any of the broken ones. So let's move those out of the way. Move all of that out of the way. So we have stars. One. Oh, let me put them in a line for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There were 6 of the shooting stars. All right, let's put the blue hearts next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait a minute, did one stick to me? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It did. 8, 9, 10. Okay, so there were 10. All right, let's do the balloons next. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balloons. All right, you ready? Let's do the unicorns next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, course, mine aren't lined up exactly straight, so when you make your graph, I know that you can do a better job than that. All right, let's see. Let's do the pots of gold. It could be his hat too, couldn't it? You want to make it a leprechaun hat? I think so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so there were 5 hats. So far, I'm seeing that the blue moons have the most. Let's do the hearts next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 hearts. Okay. Let's keep going. Let's do the rainbows next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There were 8 rainbows. My goodness. All right, the last one is going to be the horseshoes. Horseshoes are lucky when you turn them up. So if you ever have a horseshoe, you want the points to be up. So that makes a horseshoe lucky when they're like a U, when they kind of look like a U. 1, 2, 3, 4, one's broken, 5, oh, excuse me, and 6. Okay, so let's go back and count the stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stars. Blue moons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 blue moons. Ready for the balloons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Unicorns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Leprechaun hats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hearts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, equal 5. How did that happen? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rainbows. And how many horseshoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are the marshmallows that were in that little group of cereal that I poured out onto the cabinet. Now you can make your graph either horizontal or vertical. When you color in your graph, you know how Miss Owens likes each row or each column to be a different color because it just makes it easier for you to see your data, right? And to talk about your data. Once you've made your graph, I want you to write 3 sentences comparing the marshmallows. So I want you to use those great math words, and I want your sentences to be complete sentences like, I observe there are more blue moons than any other marshmallow in the group. Or, I observe that the hats and the hearts are equal. They both have 5. So you think of your own sentences that you want to do, that you want to write, to talk about the data in this collection of marshmallows from my group of Lucky Charms. Michelle and I love Lucky Charms, so maybe we'll have them for lunch. Okay, friends, thanks for doing math with me. You're awesome mathematicians.